Okay, but why does your hair look like a Wi-Fi signal today? We're aiming for glass hair, not grass hair. Hey besties, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm giving you the ultimate $0 glass hair routine. Yes, 0 rupees, $0, 0 excuses. And the best part? It works for every hair type. So first, what is glass hair? Think, super shiny, smooth, reflective, sleek AF, basically the hair version of glazed donut skin. It's not about changing your hair texture, it's about making your natural hair look its healthiest, glossiest self. Whether you've got curls, waves, coils, or straight strands, this routine is for you. Let's turn your frizz into finesse without spending a single coin. This video is your step-by-step guide to transforming your locks into that shiny, smooth, salon-worthy masterpiece without touching your wallet. The myth of expensive products. Okay, let's get something straight. You do not need to spend thousands on luxury products. The secret to glass hair is not a $70 serum from a celeb brand. It's technique, consistency, and how you treat your hair, not what you throw at it. Everything I'm sharing with you today is totally free. It's either already in your home or requires zero purchase. So go ahead and unsubscribe from those treat-yourself marketing emails. We're about to glow up with stuff you already own. Healthy, shiny hair starts with a clean, happy scalp. Think of your scalp like soil. If it's dry, flaky, or full of buildup, your hair is going to grow out dull and sad. First things first, you should know about your hair texture and your hair porosity. Hair texture equals the shape of your strands. Straight, grows down without bending. Wavy, loose S-pattern. Curly, more defined spirals. Coily/kinky, tight zigzag or corkscrew patterns. Now here's the part most people skip but shouldn't. Hair porosity equals how well your hair absorbs and holds moisture. And it changes everything. Let's break it down, bestie. 1. Low porosity. Your cuticle layer is tight and resistant, moisture has a hard time getting in, but once it's in, it stays. Signs. Products sit on your hair. Water beads up instead of soaking in. Hair dries slowly. Tips. Use lightweight, water-based products. Apply product on damp, not soaking wet hair. Use warm water or gentle heat, like steam, to open the cuticle. Clarify regularly, buildup is the enemy. 2. Medium/normal porosity. Cuticle is slightly raised, moisture goes in and stays. Basically, your hair is chill. Signs. Styles hold well. Hair feels soft, balanced. No major issues with dryness or buildup. Tips. Focus on balance, moisture plus light protein. Don't overload with heavy oils. You're doing great, sweetie, just keep doing what works. 3. High porosity. Cuticle is raised or damaged, moisture rushes in, and rushes right back out. Signs. Hair feels dry quickly after washing. Prone to frizz. Tangles easily. Absorbs products fast but never feels moisturized. Tips. Use leave-ins, creams, and sealants to lock in moisture. Rinse with cold water or apple cider vinegar to help close the cuticle. Try protein treatments. Your hair needs structure, not just moisture. Layer products using the LOC or LCO method: liquid, oil, cream. Here's your free routine. Before you shampoo, give yourself a good oil scalp massage. No oils, no fancy tools. Just your fingertips. Use light to medium pressure and massage in small circles. This boosts blood circulation and helps loosen dead skin and buildup. Do this for 3 to 5 minutes. Bonus, it's oddly therapeutic. Who needs therapy when you've got scalp massages and skincare? This alone can improve shine by stimulating healthier hair growth and distributing your natural oils, nature's own shine serum. 1. Cold water rinse. Let's kick things off in the shower. Don't worry, no new products needed. Believe it or not, the temperature of your water can make or break your hair's shine. Use warm water to start, it opens up the cuticle and lets your shampoo and conditioner do their thing. But here's the magic trick, at the end of your shower, switch to cold water for the final rinse. After you shampoo and condition like normal, end your rinse with cold water. Cold water helps seal the hair cuticle, locking in moisture and creating that smooth, light-reflecting finish. Think of it like closing the lid on shiny wrapping paper. Don't overwash. For most people, 2 to 3 times a week is plenty. Overwashing strips your natural oils and dulls your shine. 2. Microfiber or cotton t-shirt drying. Okay, towel drying? We're canceling it. That regular towel is rough and causes frizz. Instead, grab an old cotton t-shirt or microfiber cloth, yes, the one you were gonna use to clean your mirror. Gently squeeze your hair dry, don't rub. You're a goddess, not a floor mat. 3. The tension brushing trick. While your hair is still damp, brush it out section by section using gentle tension. You can use your hands or a brush, just keep it smooth. For curly or textured hair, use a wide-tooth comb and stretch each section with your fingers while drying naturally. This helps the hair dry in place, creating a natural sleek look without heat. Bonus, it improves your hair's natural shape and shine over time. Styling without heat, yes, it's possible. Heat styling tools give glass hair vibes, temporarily. But long-term? They cause dryness, split ends, and breakage. So let's skip the heat and go for healthy shine. For straight/wavy hair, brush your hair flat while damp, and section it as it dries. Use your fingers or a paddle brush to smooth each section flat against your head. You can even clip it in place with a bobby pins. For curly/coily hair, use the banding method. Divide your hair into sections and loosely wrap each with scrunchies or soft fabric ties. This stretches curls while maintaining definition and promoting a smooth finish. Heatless curls with socks or ribbons. Yes, your socks are now curlers. No, we are not kidding. Part damp hair, wrap small sections around socks, ribbons, or even an old t-shirt strip. Tie the ends and sleep in them. Wake up, take them out, and look expensive. Perfect for all hair types, and way comfier than foam rollers. 4. DIY Shine Serum. A teeny tiny drop of aloe vera gel, coconut oil, or even a bit of glycerin mixed with water can mimic a fancy serum. Rub it between your palms and smooth it lightly over the surface of your hair. Just don't overdo it, glass hair, not greasy hair. There's a difference between shine and fry-up chic. Cold green tea rinse. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants and adds a soft gloss to dull hair. Brew a cup, let it cool, and rinse your hair after shampooing. Leave it on for a few minutes, then rinse with cold water. 0 residue. Full shine. Apple cider vinegar rinse. A classic. Mix 1 part ACV with 3 parts water. Pour over your scalp after shampooing. Let it sit for a minute. Rinse with cold water. At night, sleep on a satin pillowcase or wrap your hair in a satin scarf. This reduces friction equals less frizz equals next level shine. If you don't have one, you can even lay an old satin dupatta or scarf over your pillow. Boom. Instant silk treatment. Brush regularly to distribute natural oils. Trim those ends. Shiny hair starts with healthy hair. Hydration is key. Drink your water, babe. If you're dehydrated, so is your hair. Avoid overwashing, let your natural oils work their magic. The food hair connection. Glass hair starts on your plate, not your head. Drink lots of water. Dehydrated hair equals dull hair. Eat foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, like nuts, chia seeds, and avocados. Load up on vitamin E and biotin from whole foods. Your hair is literally built from the nutrients you give it. Let's be real. You're not going to see magical results in one day. Or even 3. Hair health takes time. But if you stick to these free, consistent, low-effort habits, your hair will start rewarding you in a few weeks, and it will only get better. And there you have it. A $0 glass hair routine you can literally start today. No fancy serums, no salon visits, no drama, just good habits and a little hair love. If you learned something new, Give this video a thumbs up, comment your favorite step below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so we can keep leveling up together, on a budget, obviously. Until next time, stay glossy, not bossy.